Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up data upload from the ActiveCampaign CRM system to MailerLite. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from ActiveCampaign to other systems. For example, in MailerLite, create new subscribers every time a new deal is added. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the ActiveCampaign data source system. Then you need to select an action Get New Deals. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API domain and API key. In order to get this data, you need to go to your ActiveCampaign account. Next, go to the Settings section. Next, go to the Developer section. Copy the URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for your ActiveCampaign deal. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setting of the ActiveCampaign data source successfully. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose MailerLite as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select the Add Subscriber action. At this stage, you need to connect your MailerLite account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify the API key. In order to get it, you need to go to your personal account MailerLite. Go to the Integration section. Then click Use Developer API. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to select the group where the data from ActiveCampaign will be transferred. Now you need to assign variables from the ActiveCampaign CRM system. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to MailerLite when a new deal is created. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to MailerLite. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.